Guys, I got you this video today. You know, there's boat ramp fails and then there's boat ramp fails. And this is truly a boat ramp fail. I don't know what these people were thinking, but let's just go ahead and take a look at it.
Look, man, I'm not making this shit up.
This is crazy.
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. You hit the notification button to get all the updates. And check out our partner channel, Boat Mania from Haulover Inlet. And check us out on X at The Bad Boats. And also check us out on Instagram, The Bad Boats. And we have a Facebook group, The Bad Boats. Guys, I want to see you on the next video. Have a good day.